Oh man.
Yo, that thing's dead.
You got a duck right there. One? Yeah. Nope. It might be coming next one. Wood duck. Good shot. Good shot. Other wood duck. Wow.
Dude, I let that thing by get a little bit.
Dude, it took a minute before that thing crumped up.
Headshot. Let's go. Bro, we might have to go get that bird, huh? Yeah, go scoop him up real quick. Bryce can go run and grab that bird real quick because it's still kind of kicking and it's getting a little further away. They got a big alligator behind us back here, so we don't want to lose him.
Oh man. Green wing teal. I got two.
How many y'all got?
Three.
Huh?
Three. They all right here.
Yeah, you got the two further ones. I got that one right here. This one. Should have been better than that.
Oh, dude, I felt so bad for that first one I shot at, dude. He got crumped. Look at him.
No, that's me.
Oh, well, I think we must have shot too close together because feathers was flying right. Bro, I was able to turn this camera on right when they banged. Oh man. Where's that wood duck at?
Since you $5.
Did you?
That's why.
Oh yeah. Oh man. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jared and welcome to Louisiana Cast and Blast Outdoors. And we're down here in South Louisiana. I got my good buddy Brock and Trevor with me. We're running a little bit late this morning, y'all, so I'm just doing the intro. We already got, what, 4 birds down. It is 6:18, 4 green wing teal down. It's looking promising. Bringing y'all along for the ride. Let's get after it.
Female teal is right now.
Yeah, it sounded like it went off the other side of the boat.
Like the back of it.
No, I said. All right. Another hen. All right, quick story on what just happened. So we had 4 teal in the boat. One of them was still alive. It fell out the other side of the boat and started swimming away. So Brock backed out the boat and was gonna shoot it. Well, at the same time, we had a pack of like, I don't know, anywhere between 5 to 10 grays coming in on us, about to land in the spread. It was kind of high once we pulled up on them. Trevor launches a missile and drops one. So 1 hen gray duck and 4 green winged teal. Let's go. Well, I'm coming from back here.
Pulling up on my side.
Dogs.
Yo, that thing's dead.
Them boys didn't even give me a chance to pull the trigger. Look at the feathers on the water. Good shooting, boys.
Yep.
Dude, them were way out there whenever I saw them.
They're small.
They are small. Huh? They ban divers too, old son.
That thing's dead. Y'all seen the ones you put on a they
Key.
swim around in a circle?
Keel?
No.
You put the little torpedo in the keel?
Oh, they got that?
Yeah. I had a couple of them, but they'd always get tangled up with grass in the prop. On a day like today, we just try a little RC boat like that, put a decoy shell on top of it, driving around the decoys. Y'all, what's going on? About 9:30. Action slowed down tremendously. Seemed to be just a morning flight today. Shot our birds. We shot our last bird at around 7:15 or so, which would have been them 2 dogries. So we thinking about packing up here in a little bit. We can go pick up the spread and take it to the house. That's what we ended up with today, y'all. Got 1 female gray, got 4 green winged teal, one of them's a male, and 2 female dogrie, or scalp as other people call them. Not a bad day. Look at that pack of birds. It never fails. Every time you start picking up decoys, a pack of birds are gonna fly. Quick work with the decoys. Go head on in. As y'all saw, a couple birds flying right as we got in the spread, start picking it up, but that's always the case. Probably gonna throw the cast net here in a little second on the way out. The water's just starting to move. Everybody got stuff to do this afternoon, so we can't stay around too late, but definitely gonna have some good stuff coming to the channel this year, y'all. We can do a bunch of morning hunts and then follow that up with some fishing trips. Really appreciate y'all coming along on the ride. If y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If y'all got any comments or questions, y'all drop that down below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel so you can follow along whenever we upload new videos. If y'all did enjoy this video, go ahead and check this one out. It's gonna be from opening day. Me and my buddies came out. We scratched off almost a 2-man limit. Appreciate y'all watching again. We'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.